In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add vertical and horizontal divider in Elementor on your WordPress site. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, and open the page you want by clicking Edit with Elementor. Once the editor opens, click the plus icon to add a new section and choose a two-column layout if you want to create a vertical divider between content. After creating the columns, you can add content like images or text into each column to structure your layout. To create a vertical divider, click on one of the columns or containers, go to the Style tab, then open the Border settings. Set the border type to solid and adjust the width. This border will act as your vertical divider between the columns. You can fine-tune the color and thickness to match your design. For a horizontal divider, go to the Widgets panel and search for the Divider widget. Drag and drop it anywhere on your page where you want a horizontal line. Once placed, click on it and go to the Style tab to customize its color, thickness, width, and alignment so it fits your layout. After adjusting everything to your liking, click Update or Publish to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added both vertical and horizontal dividers in Elementor to make your layout cleaner and more visually organized.